Hi everyone, this is Billie Topa Tate, founder of MSI Wellness Center. I'm Mescalero Apache, and I'm so honored to be with you today. Are you ready to connect with the wisdom of your spirit guides? It's a very exciting time, and wouldn't it be wonderful to have that wisdom with us every single moment? Well, you can do that, and we are teaching a class in the Mescalero Apache tradition of connecting with our spirit guides and getting some wonderful guidance from them. I am so honored to be able to teach this class to you, and there are a lot of exciting things that we're going to be covering in this class, and we're going to be doing that within the class so you can get some wonderful return value for the effort that we're going to be putting in these techniques and practices. And also, if you're going to come to class, which by the way, we're going to be teaching the class online, in person, and of course, if you can't make either, you can register for the class and receive the recording. However, the people who come to class will have the opportunity to ask me personal questions, and also I'm excited to share a book signing at the end of class of my book that we just finished and is out in Barnes & Noble and a number of other bookstores. Quest Bookstore with Theosophical Society has my book also. But a book signing means you get a signature from me and a blessing on the book, so it's really exciting. And we're going to be teaching this class on February the 8th from 12 noon to 2 p.m. and that's a Saturday Central Time. And it's a really wonderful transformative experience to connect with our wonderful guides who speak wisdom and also sharing insights about our journey. So please join me for this class, and the class is Unlock the Wisdom of Your Spirit Guides, an Apache Tradition Workshop. I look forward to seeing you. Have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.